In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a PDF to Constant Contact. Whether you're sending out newsletters or promotional emails, including a PDF can be a great way to provide additional content to your audience. Follow along with this step-by-step tutorial to seamlessly integrate PDFs into your email campaigns. First things first, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to constantcontact.com. Once you're on the website, make sure you're logged into your account. Constant Contact is a user-friendly platform, and logging in will give you access to all of its features, including the ability to manage and send out email campaigns. Once you're logged in, look towards the top of the page and click on the Campaigns tab. This section contains all of your existing email campaigns and is where you can create new ones. It's the starting point for any email you want to send out, ensuring you have all your resources at your fingertips. After clicking Campaigns, browse through your list of campaigns and select the one you want to edit. Once you've found it, click the Edit button. This action will open up the email editor, allowing you to make changes to your existing email content or add new elements. In the email editor, locate the Build section. This section is crucial because it provides you with all the tools you need to customize your email. From here, click on Text to add a new text block to your email. Text blocks are versatile and can contain anything from simple messages to hyperlinks. With the text block added, it's time to type in the text where you want the link to your PDF to appear. This could be a simple call to action like download our latest brochure or click here for more details. The text should be clear and inviting, encouraging your audience to click through. Now, click directly on the text you just typed. This action will allow you to make changes and apply formatting. Once the text is selected, highlight it by clicking and dragging your cursor over it. With the text highlighted, look towards the top of the editor and click on the Link button. This button lets you turn regular text into a hyperlink, which is essential for linking to documents or URLs. After clicking Link, a new menu will appear. From this menu, select Document. This option allows you to upload a PDF or other document directly from your computer to your email campaign. Now it's time to upload your PDF file. Click on Upload and navigate through your computer files to find the PDF you want to include. Select the file and wait for it to upload to Constant Contact. This process might take a few moments depending on the size of your file. Once your PDF is uploaded, you'll see it listed in the document options. To finalize the process, click Insert. This action will attach the PDF to the highlighted text, turning it into a clickable link for your email recipients. And there you have it. You've successfully added a PDF to your Constant Contact email. This simple guide has shown you how to enhance your email campaigns by providing additional resources and value to your subscribers. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.